Now, another thing that happened with a big, beautiful bill, supposedly, is that there's lots of changes to the immigration cost. I'm going to go over those quickly. They're not in effect yet, okay? But they will be in effect soon because they have to publish the prices, and they need to allow for a comment period, right? So that Democrats can't overturn it so easily. The Trump administration has learned the steps that they have to actually do so that things don't get overturned. They learned that the first term. Asylum cases, which were previously free, are going to go up to $100. They're also adding an annual asylum fee, which is going to be $100 for each year that the application remains pending. Well, I've never heard of anything like this. It's interesting. I don't know how they're going to oversee that and to make sure that people continue to pay that fee, or if they're going to cancel the case if they don't pay it. I'm not sure. But that's going to add to a lot of money for the Treasury. They are going to increase the cost to apply for a work permit based on asylum. Used to be free to $550. Okay, renewals, they're also going to charge for those. TPS used to be $50 and a re-registration was free. Now it's going to be $500. Okay, work permits as well, they're going to be charging for those. Parole fee, so this should be advanced parole, people leaving the country. Used to be $580 or $630. They're going to increase it to $1,000. Okay, let's see. Parole-based work permits, they're going to start charging for those, increasing the amount. Special immigrant juvenile fee used to be $0 going up to $250. Okay, non-immigrant visa fees. For the U visa and the T visa didn't have a fee before. It's going to go up to $250. Okay, they are going to start charging different fees for the I-102. Adjustment of status prices are going to go up. Waiver prices are going to go up. Temporary protected status cases in court are also going to go up from 50 to 500. And appeals are going to go up dramatically. It used to be $0 if you were appealing an IJ decision, and then other types of appeals were $110. Now they're going up to $900 if you're appealing a decision of a immigration judge to the BIA. Okay, and then another change: a motion to reopen. It used to be free or $145. A motion to reopen or reconsider filed with the immigration court or the BIA is going up to $900. Okay, cancellation of removal used to be $130, going up to $600 for residents who are applying for cancellation, and to $1,500 for non-resident cancellation of removal. They call it the 10-year law. Suspension of deportation goes up from $130 to $600. Okay, and so there's a few other things that are also going to be changed. They're going to start charging people money if they don't leave after deportation, and charging people 1% of remittances, money that they're sending to their family abroad. Every time they send money, they have to give 1% back to the U.S. government. Okay, so those are some of the changes that are happening now.